Did you know a project just raised over $1.5 million in the blink of an eye? And it's not just any project, it's a groundbreaking blend of AI and blockchain. Intrigued? You should be. Keep watching because today, we're diving into the world of Cogwise and its COGW token, which has recently hit a massive $1.5 million in its fundraising efforts. If you're curious about what makes this project so special, and whether you're missing out on a major trend, stick around because this is where you'll find out. We're going to explore what Cogwise is, why it's attracting so much attention, and how its unique features could potentially reshape the crypto landscape. This is crucial info for anyone interested in the future of blockchain and AI. We'll cover the basics of Cogwise, its AI core, real-time trading assistance, smart contract generation, and more. Plus, we'll discuss the COGW token and what its success in fundraising means for you as an investor or crypto enthusiast. If you're excited about this rising token, hit that subscribe button and keep watching. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of Cogwise. Launched in August 2023, Cogwise has been turning heads in the crypto world, and for good reason. It's an AI-driven blockchain project that's all about making life easier for traders and developers. Think of it as your smart crypto buddy that takes the headache out of trading and smart contract creation. Now, why is Cogwise such a big deal? First off, it's tackling two major pain points in the crypto space: complexity and rapid change. By leveraging AI, Cogwise keeps users on top of the volatile crypto market with up-to-date, fast information. It's like having a crypto expert in your pocket, constantly giving you the lowdown on market trends. But here's where it gets really cool. Cogwise isn't just about information, it's about action. Its AI core is a conversational assistant that can handle a bunch of tasks. We're talking about generating smart contracts, analyzing price charts, and guiding your trading decisions. And the best part? It's all done in natural language. That means you don't need to be a coding guru or a trading whiz to make the most of it. So, what's driving all this buzz around Cogwise? It's simple. This project is making blockchain and AI accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Cogwise is designed to help you navigate the crypto world with ease. And with over $1.5 million raised in its presale, it's clear that the crypto community is taking notice. All right, let's dive deeper into what makes Cogwise stand out. Cogwise is blending AI and blockchain in ways that are seriously shaking things up. So, what's under the hood of this powerhouse? First up, the heart and soul of Cogwise, which is the AI core. It's a conversational assistant that's all about making your crypto life easier. Think of it as your personal crypto butler, ready to generate smart contracts, analyze price charts, and guide your trades, all in plain English. No jargon, no hassle. It's like having a crypto expert in your pocket, always ready to help out. But Cogwise doesn't stop there. It's got a real-time trading assistant that's a game changer for anyone who's ever felt lost in the maze of technical analysis. This tool cuts through the clutter, translating technical indicators into clear, actionable insights. It's like having a GPS for the crypto market, guiding you through the twists and turns of trading. Now, let's talk about smart contracts. If the thought of coding gives you a headache, Cogwise has got your back. Its smart contract generator is a stroke of genius. Just tell it what you need in plain language, and voila, you've got yourself a smart contract. It's that easy. And the best part? It's not just about ease, it's about security too. These smart contracts are solid and built to stand up to the latest guidelines and vulnerabilities. But wait, there's more. Cogwise also offers wallet tracking. This isn't just about keeping an eye on your wallet, it's about smart, automated trading. Imagine a tool that not only watches your wallet, but also makes trades on your behalf, mimicking the moves of successful traders. It's like having a savvy trading partner who's always on the lookout for your best interests. And for the developers out there, Cogwise hasn't forgotten you. Its virtual operating system is a dream come true for anyone looking to develop decentralized applications. With EVM compatibility and on-chain AI inference, it's a playground for innovation, suitable for devs of all skill levels. But Cogwise isn't just about tools. Community is important too. Its news aggregation system keeps you in the loop, tracking crypto news and community sentiments to predict market movements. It's like having your finger on the pulse of the crypto world, always knowing what's hot and what's not. And let's not forget the fun part, which is the gamification and rewards. As you use Cogwise, you're not just trading and developing, you're earning COGW dollars tokens. These tokens aren't just another cryptocurrency. They're your ticket to a whole world of services and exclusive content within the Cogwise ecosystem. And with a variety of rewards and levels, Cogwise turns every interaction into a chance to earn more. So, there you have it. With Cogwise's exciting features, it's setting a new standard for what a crypto project can be. If you're as excited about Cogwise as I am, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to dive into this innovative project? What feature are you most excited about? Share them in the comments. Now, let's get serious and talk about why Cogwise is creating such a buzz and what its success means for the crypto world. What's with the hype? And why are people so excited about Cogwise? And what does its success tell us about the future of crypto? First off, Cogwise isn't just another blockchain project. It's a trailblazer, combining AI and blockchain in a way that's really resonating with people. Since its pre-sale kicked off in August 2023, it's been on a tear, attracting investors left and right. But why? It's all about simplification and innovation. Cogwise is making trading and smart contract creation easier and more accessible, thanks to its AI-driven approach. This is huge because it removes a major barrier for many people in the crypto space: complexity. But Cogwise isn't just simplifying things. It's also pushing the envelope. It's not just about trading and contracts. It's about a whole suite of tools powered by AI. From real-time trading assistance to smart contract generation and wallet tracking, Cogwise is offering solutions that are not just useful but also cutting edge. This is a big deal in a space that's constantly evolving and where staying ahead of the curve is key. Now let's talk about the community aspect. Cogwise isn't just building tools, it's building a community. With its news aggregation system and gamification features, it's creating an ecosystem where users are rewarded for their engagement. This is smart because it's not just about attracting users, it's about keeping them engaged and invested in the platform. And in the world of crypto, where community sentiment can make or break a project, this is a game changer. But perhaps the most exciting thing about Cogwise is what it represents for the future of blockchain and AI. The success of its presale shows that there's a real appetite for projects that bring these two worlds together. As industries worldwide become more receptive to AI and blockchain, Cogwise is positioning itself at the forefront of this movement. It's not just about being a jack of all trades. It's about being a master of integration, bringing the best of AI and blockchain into a cohesive, powerful package. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're into crypto, Cogwise is a project you can't afford to ignore. Its success in the presale is just the beginning. With its innovative approach and strong community support, Cogwise is poised to make a big impact in the crypto world. And for those of you who are always on the lookout for the next big thing in crypto, Cogwise might just be it. Alright, now here's something to think about. Did you know that blockchain projects integrating AI like Cogwise are not just about the present, but are shaping the future of finance and technology? It's like we're on the cusp of a new era where AI doesn't just assist, but revolutionizes how we interact with digital currencies and contracts. But hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and discuss in the world of tech and crypto. And guess what? We've got some killer content lined up that's going to dive into these emerging trends. So if you're as intrigued as I am about where this tech journey is taking us, you've got to stay tuned.